welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you another backpack from Michael Kors, and it's semi-annual sale. So let's get started. So hot today. So I got new Michael Kors backpack on semi-annual sale. So let's take it off. It is Rhea Backpack, and let's open it. So it's really cute. It's made from leather, natural. It has here one pocket that it can be opened like so, and inside is lined with this. I mean, now it has paper, and inside you can put many, not many, but few things, few small items here. And then it has two-way zipper, which is nice. This one has only one zipper, and here you can put like book or something else. It has nice light lining, and then zippers goes really smooth. And here is the biggest compartment. Let's remove the papers. Inside it looks like this. Look guys, it's so nice. And here it has two nice pockets that you can put here stuff here, and then you have also slip pockets. I mean, not slip pockets, card slits or something. And here is dust bag. And here is another pocket. This one is tablet pocket here. This one, and zipper pocket for something like cards and wallets. And here it says Michael Kors, and it has key fob, and it's really nice soft leather. As you can see, it has nice texture and it's pebbled. I really like this kind of leather, pebbled, in opposed to Saffiano leather, which I don't like. I prefer this one, as this one is really nice, soft, and I think it's even more durable. Although we say that Saffiano leather is more, but I don't know. And it has nice straps like so. Nice long ones, also made from leather, and they can be hooked to this part. Here is back, looks like this. Here are two nice straps that are really good, stitched to the bottom part like this wall, and I hope it will be secure and not rip. Sorry. This also is made from leather, so it's really nice. What else I can tell you? I don't know. I guess it's all about this backpack. This one doesn't have any pocket here on the side. I mean on the back, but it's still really nice. I really like it. So yeah, this is hard to put through. Yeah, and here it has Michael Kors buckles, also with Michael Kors here, and on me it looks like so. Really nice. Next, it's size medium, but sometimes when you look in camera it looks bigger, but it's quite big. Large would be too big for me. It's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like videos like unboxings, vlogs and other, then thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.